let's proceed for the delivery of the Volkswagen Tiguan AllSpace.
I'm Jateen Doshi and here taking delivery of my prized Tigaun AllSpace. So I've said this a couple of times earlier, but I began off my project of looking for another car with the Tigaun, with Hardik, and I've ended it with that after test driving a host of cars. And I must say it's been a superb experience dealing with you all, with Hardik and Nikhil in particular, and with the VW team, downtown team in general. So thank you guys. It's been a superb time dealing with you guys.
Volkswagen.